Hello, good day everyone. So welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Jobin, yours truly, and welcome to The Free Mind. Okay, so I hope we are all happy. We are doing fine. God is good all the time. And all the time, God is good. So let's all be happy and enjoy life. So today is I'll be continuing the discussion we had on the the novel of Noli Me Tangere. So now we will be discussing the valuable impact of the novel Noli Me Tangere or Tangere on Philippine society. So again, Noli Me Tangere had a very profound impact on Philippine society. So playing a key role in the country's fight for independence. So the novel made visible the abuses suffered by Filipinos under the Spanish colonial rule, and it inspired or sparked a growing sense of national consciousness. So its publication marked a significant turning point in the country's history and the beginning of a broader nationalist movement. So the novel No Limitang Here shaped a lot of Filipinos. It broadens their sense of nationalism. It sparked the Filipino identity, and it made a very significant turning point in the life of Philippine, the country's history. So the impact on national consciousness. So before No Limitang Here, many Filipinos accepted the Spanish rule as a fact of life. So we accepted that we were colonized for 333 years, so it's a fact of life. It is real. So this novel of No Limitang Here served as an awakening, illuminating the systematic injustice and oppression of Spanish colonial rule. So this novel paints a vivid picture of the conditions faced by Filipinos. So Rizal spread widespread sense of desire for change. Rizal wants a change, a social and political change to the lives of Filipinos because during this time we were suffering, we were oppressed, we were discriminated, and we don't have our own freedom. So this heightened sense of national consciousness was a key driving force behind the Philippine Revolution and country's subsequent fight for independence. So this novel played a significant role in the fight for Philippine independence. So another very important thing to consider in the story of Noli Me Tangere is the influence on literature and language. So Rizal's novel had a profound influence on Philippine literature. It was one of the first works to portray Filipino life realistically and critically. The novel also played a crucial role in promoting the use of Filipino as a literary language, demonstrating its potential for expression and storytelling. So again, Noli Me Tangere portray the life of a Filipinos realistically and critically. So it promote the use of Filipino language and demonstrating the our potential expression for storytelling. So number three impact is the impact on social structures and attitudes. So the novel had a significant impact on social structures and attitudes in the Philippines. Its critique of the friars and the church challenged the dominant role of religion in Philippine society. It also highlighted the need for social reforms, including equality and justice. So, by writing this novel, by exposing the social ills of his time, Rizal promoted a sense of social responsibility and a desire for reform among his readers. So, Rizal wanted to change the social and political and the cultural change that we experienced during the Spanish colonial time, and also, he also wants to foster the greater sense of equality and justice. So that's why this novel played a very important, a key role in shaping us and what we are experiencing today. It broadened our sense of identity, our sense of Filipino identity by embracing by embracing the Filipino culture, the Filipino language. So another thing to consider when you talk about the impact is the enduring impact on education. So No Limitang is an essential component of the Philippines educational curriculum. So as of today, we are still studying, passing the history from to our future generation. So No Limitang is always part of the Philippine educational curriculum, ensuring that younger generations understand the historical significance of the novel, where students are exposed to the realities of colonial rule and the rise of Philippine nationalism. So we are still studying, we are embracing the impact of Noli Me Tangere, the historical significance of Noli Me Tangere, so that students now and to the future generation will also embrace the impact of Noli Me Tangere to the to our Philippine educational system. Next is the catalyst for revolution. So the novel uh, shows the plight of Filipinos under the Spanish colonial rule. So stirred a sense of unity and sparked the revolutionary spirit among Filipinos. So it served as a catalyst for revolution because Rizal exposed the societal ills and it's broadened or it awakened the sense of Filipino identity, Filipino nationalism. So it stirred a sense of unity that as Filipinos we have to fight for our independence. We have to be united and spark the revolutionary spirit among Filipinos. It was so strong that it was one of the primary catalysts for the Philippine Revolution against Spain in the 19th century. So it served as a turning point for Filipinos. We were colonized for about 333 years, and because of this novel, it awakened the Filipino spirit to fight for independence. So another thing is the influence on arts and media. So Noli Me Tangere continued to inspire various adaptation in the art, theater, film, and television. So we have four: art, theater, film, and television. So we had this story that a teleserye. So it is the no, Maria Clara Anibara. So it was portrayed by Barbie Forteza and David. So we are showcasing that. So that story is anchored on the novel No Limit Tangere. So this adaptation served to introduce the novel's important themes and messages to a wider audience, providing its timeless relevance. So they helped ensure that history and ideals are passed on to future generations. So it was the story Maria Clara and Ibarra, it was very educational. So students, the young generations were able to understand what really happened during that time. The theme of No Limitang Here, the love story of Maria Clara and Ibarra. So it was passed on to future generations. So another thing to consider the impact is the impact of national identity. So Rizal's No Limitangre also played a significant role in shaping the Filipino national identity. So the novel helped define what it meant to be a Filipino during a time when the national identity was heavily influenced and obscured by colonial rule. So it also fostered a sense of national pride and unity among Filipinos, elements crucial to the formation of a national identity. So again, Rizal wanted us to develop our Filipino national identity. So to acknowledge that we are a Filipino, to embrace that we are a Filipino. So as Rizal wanted us to be proud, to be proud of being a Filipino, to take pride and unity among Filipinos. So he wanted us to be to be one as Filipino. Another thing is the rise in nationalist movement. So Noli Me Tangere was the catalyst for the Philippine nationalist movement. The novels, as we all know, the novels critique the Spanish colonial rule, provided a shared narrative that united different segments of Filipino society. This unity in understanding and sentiment was vital to the mobilization of the nationalist movement that eventually led to the Philippine Revolution. So again, it brings a lot of change. Through this novel, it brings a lot of change to Filipinos because this novel showcases the criticism, the critic of Spanish colonial rule, and because of that criticism, it awakened, it broadened up the understanding of Filipinos, and eventually it led to Philippine Revolution. So it played a very important role in nationalist movement. Another is the impact on political discourse. So the novel had a significant impact on the political discourse in the Philippines. It challenges the prevailing power structures, advocating for democratic reforms and self-governance. The ideas presented in Noli Me Tangere influenced Filipino leaders and reformists and became integral to the country's political philosophy. So again, the impact of No Limit Tangere, it shapes the political discourse. So the prevailing power of structures, advocating for democratic reforms and self-governance. So it influences. Another thing is the cultural influence. So No Limit Tangere continued to shape the cultural identity of the Philippines. The novel's vivid depiction of Filipino life, customs, and values have been absorbed into the nation's collective consciousness, providing a link to the past. So the enduring popularity of Noli Me Tangere attests to its cultural significance. So again, the novel Noli Me Tangere shape our cultural identity in of the Philippines. So it brings a lot of change and our the way of our life, our customs, values, it have been absorbed into the nation's collective consciousness. So it brings connections. Because of this novel, it connects us. It provides a link to the past. So we were able to get to know the culture, the customs, the influences we had because we were colonized by a lot of foreign influences. So this is why it brought about cultural influence. Next impact is the influence on Filipino values. So again, the novel emphasized the importance of honor, integrity, and love for one's country. Values that remain central to Filipino society today. So again, Filipinos, we have a lot of good Filipino values. We respect, we honor people with integrity, and we love our country. And we are proud. So during this time, the novel sparked the importance of the love of our country, the importance of honor and integrity, and it remains a very central to Filipino society today. Another thing is the influence on human rights awareness. So Noli Me Tangere shed light on the human rights abuses committed under Spanish colonial rule, fostering a greater awareness and concern for human rights among Filipinos. So through this novel, again, it influences human rights awareness. Filipinos are more aware of their rights. So, and the human rights abuses committed under Spanish rule, it fosters a greater sense of awareness and concern for human rights among Filipinos. So we were now influenced on the human rights awareness. As Filipinos, we also have our own rights. So if we experience abuses, discrimination, oppression, so we have a right. So this novel also triggered our influence on human rights awareness. So another thing is the impact on socio-political reform. So Rizal's novel was instrumental in prompting socio-political reform in the Philippines. So the injustices highlighted in Noli Me Tangere made it clear that systematic change is needed, leading to a widespread call for reforms. So Rizal himself was an advocate for peaceful reform. As we all know, that Rizal was an advocate for peaceful reform. He does not like the armed revolution. He is more into the peaceful reform. That's why he loves to write. He wrote all the things that he observed during the Spanish colonial rule, the the suffering, the struggles. So he exposed that through his writings. Next is the inspiration for civic engagement. So Noli Me Tangere inspired Filipinos to become actively engaged in their country's future. So Rizal doesn't want us to be observant only. He wants us to be engaged. Engaged meaning we need to be part of our civic engagement. We need to be engaged in our country's future. Not only observing what happened, but to be engaged. The novel message of nationalism and its critique of social inequality ignited a desire among Filipinos to fight for a better society. This spirit of civic engagement continued to be a crucial aspect of Philippine society today. So Rizal wants us to become actively engaged in the country's future. This is for our future, and we also need to fight for a better society, not just to follow whatever the influences we had, but also to fight for a better society. Next is the promotion of Filipino culture and heritage. So Rizal's novel also played a key role in promoting Filipino culture and heritage. By presenting Filipino customs, values, and societal structures in a dignified manner, Noli Me Tangere helped to foster a sense of pride and appreciation for Filipino culture. This celebration of cultural heritage remains a key aspect of the Philippine identity. So through this novel, it promotes Filipino culture and heritage. So we are able to present our Filipino customs, the values we had, societal structures in a dignified manner. So it fosters a sense of pride and appreciation for Filipino culture. So I think we need to be thankful to this novel. We need to be thankful and grateful because we are given a chance to present ourselves as Filipinos. We are dignified, we are honored. So it brings these celebrations of cultural heritage remains a key aspect of the Philippine identity. Next is the impetus for social change. So through this novel, the novel No Limit Tangere has served as a significant impetus for social change in the Philippines. It revealed the societal problems rooted in the Spanish colonial system and ignited a desire among the Filipinos to reform these issues. So the book opened the eyes of the Filipino popularity to the societal change that were needed to ensure justice and equality for all citizens. So through this novel, it opens the heart, the mind, and the soul of the Filipinos that we need to ensure justice and equality for all citizens. Next is the assertion of Filipino dignity and respect. So Noli Me Tangere was instrumental in asserting Filipino dignity and self-respect during a time when Filipinos were deemed second-class citizens in their own country. So Rizal wanted us to assert that we are respected, that through his well-rounded Filipino characters, Rizal portrayed the intellect, the capability, and nobility inherent in the Filipino people, debunking the derogatory image propagated by the colonizers. So again, Rizal asserts that we are capable, the Filipinos are capable, we have good intellect, we are noble, we should be proud of ourselves, we should be respected in our own country. Next is the role in feminist discourse. Rizal's novel also played a role in feminist discourse in the Philippines. Although women during the Spanish colonial time were often relegated to the traditional roles, Rizal wanted to change that. Rizal portrayed several things that women are strong, intelligent, and capable female characters in his novel. This character serves to challenge the stereotypes of women during that era and contributed to the discussion about the role of women in Filipino society. So through his novel, Rizal also portrayed the role of women, that women are good, women has a good intellect, that we are capable, we are strong. So Rizal wanted us to know the role as a woman, as a woman with intellect, with capabilities, not just confide in, let's just staying in the house. So women can also do better for the betterment of our country. Next is the inspiration for other nationalist movements. So the influence of Noli Me Tangere extends beyond the Philippines. The novel inspired not only Filipinos but also other colonized people struggling for self-determination. It served as a blueprint for peaceful resistance and a testament to the power of literature in instigating social and political change. So again, because of this novel, Rizal inspired a lot of not only Filipinos but also foreign people who were colonized and also struggling for self-determination. It served as their blueprint for instigating social and political change. So Rizal brought a lot of changes, brought a big impact in Philippine society. Another thing is the contribution to ethical and moral discourse. Rizal presented complex moral dilemmas through his characters, challenging the black and white thinking of his time. His characters, both heroes and were depicted with motivations and moral ambiguities, pushing readers to consider ethical issues more deeply. So again, through his novel, Rizal also presented complex, various moral dilemmas through his characters, through his stories, so a lot of characters there, a lot of themes also. So he was also pushing readers, pushing everybody to consider ethical issues more deeply. Next also is the effect on Filipino psyche. So Rizal's novel affected the collective psyche of Filipinos. Yes, because number one, it awakened the people to the harsh realities of their situations and sparked a collective sense of nationalism. It's ignited, it brings out. So the psychological awakening led to a stronger sense of Filipino identity, and it continues to instill a sense of national pride and self-awareness in Filipinos today. So the novel also ignited the nationalistic power of Filipinos. It sparked a collective sense of nationalism. Next is the influence on contemporary literature. So it laid the groundwork for modern Philippine literature and paved the way for other writers to explore social and political issues through their works. So the themes and techniques that Rizal used in No Limit Tangere continue to influence Filipino writers today, demonstrating the novel's enduring literary legacy. So those are the influences. So up to this date, up to today, and to our future generation, we are still continuing and acknowledging the efforts made by Jose Rizal, the novel that he published, the Noli Me Tangere. It shapes us, it awakened us, it brings out the our sense of national identity, our sense of being a Filipino. So it brings more pride and honor and integrity because of this novel. We were Filipinos are more aware of our rights, our human rights awareness. It influences a lot, not only Filipinos, but a lot of foreign people, the other colonizers who are still struggling for self-determination, who are still struggling for independence. So it was during this time that the story of Noli Me Tangere brings a greater impact to the lives of Filipino people. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you got something today. I hope you are learning. I hope you are still with me, and I hope you learned something out of this very quick discussion. And this would be the end of Noli Me Tangere. So I will be discussing the other literary work of Dr. Rizal, which is the El Filibusterismo. So stay tuned and hope you will still like this video. Thank you and God bless.